SBR Videos is sponsored by Sports Cash System. Click on the link below for more information.
Hello everyone, this is Across the Board with Jeff Grant here at SBRforum.com. Let's take an early look at Week 1 of the 2013 NFL regular season. Always make sure to get the best number by going to SBRodds.com. Let's take an early look at how teams performed during the preseason. The best ATS performers, the Washington Redskins, Seattle Seahawks, and New Orleans Saints, all finished 4-0 against the spread during the NFL exhibition schedule, while the worst ATS performers were the Pittsburgh Steelers at 0-4, the Jacksonville Jaguars, and Minnesota Vikings at 1-3. The next thing we're going to look at is how teams perform against the spread in season opening situations. The Denver Broncos 13-7 at home, of course hosting the Baltimore Ravens. The New England Patriots 10-5 on the road. They'll be traveling to take on the Buffalo Bills. The Cleveland Browns 3-10 at home will be hosting the Miami Dolphins. And finally, the Dallas Cowboys have covered the spread in 7 of their last 10 games when opening a season at home. Of course, they'll be hosting division rival, the New York Giants. Matchup ATS trends to be aware of as we prepare for the opening of the 2013 season. The New York Jets have covered the spread in their last 7 games against the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. The Buffalo Bills 1-8 ATS, their last 9 home games against the New England Patriots. The Cincinnati Bengals 5-1 versus the Chicago Bears. And finally, the San Diego Chargers have covered their last 4 games against the Houston Texans. Make sure to become a subscriber to SBR Forum's YouTube channel to get the best information available as we head into an exciting NFL campaign. And also follow me on Twitter at Jeff Grant Sports.